Okay, so today I just wanted to go over a couple little things for the ACT. I might be doing a new series of ACT content, but I took the ACT yesterday, and so I thought I'd go over some things that I think everyone should know when going into the test. So there are four sections, and they go in this order of English, math, reading, and then science. Kind of some things to know. English, you get 45 minutes, and there's 75 questions. Math, 60 questions, 60 minutes. Reading, 40 questions, 35 minutes. And then science, there are 40 questions and 35 minutes as well. Kind of on the English, reading, and science tests, it's not really the questions that are the issue in time, it's just passages in time. If you're making through passages really well, you'll be fine with doing the questions. In my experience, so in English there's 5 passages, in reading there's 4 passages, and in science there are 6 passages. And so science and reading have the same amount of questions, but they have a different amount of passages. So per passage you have less questions in the science category as in the reading category. And so then if you break down the number of questions you're supposed to have or number of passages you have and divide it by the number of minutes, you kind of get in English you should have a pace of about 9 minutes per page. I try to aim for 8. And so what I try to do is make that 3 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of answering the questions. A 4-4 split would be good as well, but anything like that, you just want to read and answer questions per passage in that amount of time. Same thing for the reading. It's about 8.5 minutes a question, or per passage here. I've written question, but it's per passage. And what you want to do is, read for a less amount of time, like read for 3 minutes, and then use the remainder of that 8.5 minutes to answer questions. Also, some other things I might get into is different areas of stuff you should know. So for like science, it's going to cover biology, chemistry, earth and space science, and physics, and then some passage types you're going to see in the reading. It's going to be a prose fiction, so like a narrative, a story, social studies, humanities, and a natural science. Some things to know for the ACT.